Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get a taken Instagram username. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Whenever you want to take a username, Instagram shows you that it is available or not. If it is not available, then search by the username for that person who has taken that username. Now let's search for that person. Let's assume that I wanted this username but this person has taken it. There are two ways you can get the username. The first way is to offer that person some money in return of the username. If that person agrees, then he will change his username and the username for you will be available. And that's how you can get the username. But there is another way. Now let me show you that. Now go back. Now close the Instagram app and open a browser. I'll just leave a link to this page in the description. Here you can see this is the page for report an impersonation account on Instagram. Here you have to report that you are being impersonated. From the first question, select the option, someone created an account pretending to be me. Then select yes, I am the person being impersonated. Now type in your full name. Then your email address. Now type in the full name of the person who has taken your username. Then type in the username of that account. Now scroll down and tap on choose file and add a photo ID of yours. And this will help you to get back the user ID. When you are done, you can add some additional information if you want to. When you are done, tap send. Instagram will take a few days to review your request, and then they will let you know their decision on your email. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.